Today, we're going to show you how to install your paint protection film for your hood. To get started, you will require a towel, soapy water solution, a utility knife, a squeegee, and a professional heat gun or hair dryer. Let's get started by unboxing our package. First, thoroughly clean and dry the intended surface. Next, pre-cut the film 1.5 inches larger than the intended area. Then, spray soapy water on the film before placing it on the intended area. Then, lock down the film over the intended area and stretch it out over the entire area. Smooth out the area with a squeegee, remove water, and dry with a towel. Using the utility knife, cut excess material. Then use the hair dryer or professional heat gun to help the film adhere to the surface. Thanks for watching.